Welcome everyone. This is the next series of the basic React project where you get to learn about the fundamentals of React like state, events, a setter function, destructuring and building list. All of the source code will be linked in the description below. So basically here I have one button and when I click this button, I get a card of animal. All right. Every animals gets generated randomly and you can see here there are some assigned a list of animals and it gets generated at a random way and also a small heart icon, and whenever I click on this card it gets bigger. So if I have to tell, if you are very basic and if you have sort some kind of basic intuition of React, you can check the source code linked in the description below. You will understand very in an easy way, and also you will get to know one most important thing of JavaScript, that is use of spread operator on pushing an array. So although it looks basic, you can review the code linked in description below, and you get to know a lot. Thank you.